In this video, I want to show you how to resolve the issue of inability to log into your WhatsApp. For example, let me show you. If you trying to open your WhatsApp and it's logging in forever, that is unable to load your chats despite the fact that you are connected to internet. Let me show you how to resolve it. For instance, I'm trying to log in and I can't. So let's close this page. The first thing to do is to verify that WhatsApp is actually installed on your PC. So go to Microsoft Store. When Microsoft Store app open, come to this search bar and search for WhatsApp. When I search for WhatsApp, you can see that WhatsApp is actually installed on my PC. But if I try to open it, let me open it from here to verify or to troubleshoot the problem. Now you can see that it's opening, but it failed to open properly. So it took a long time not opening. So how to resolve this problem of inability to log into your WhatsApp despite the fact that you are connected to the internet? So let's close this page. This is what you need to do. To resolve it, come to this start button and look for WhatsApp. Here is it. Right click and uninstall. Click on uninstall. So after you have uninstalled it, let's just refresh our system. So the next thing to do is to go back to Microsoft Store. Go back to Microsoft Store. Then come to this search bar and search for WhatsApp. So here you can see WhatsApp. Click on Get. So what we want to do is to reinstall the app. So when you click on Get, it will download and install it. So after installation, let's open to see if it has resolved the problem. If I click on open, normally after you uninstall it, it will log you out. So you need to log in to WhatsApp again. Click on login. When you click on login, you need to scan this code. Take your mobile phone, open WhatsApp, click on this three dots, and click on the three dots and click on link a device. Then scan this code. So you can see it's trying to log in. Let's see if that resolves the problem. Yes, it's trying to log in. You can see it's already loading my chats. It's already loading my chats. And here we go. You can see that I've been able to log in successfully. So the solution is that you uninstall and reinstall the app. So if you are facing the same problem, this is the way to solve it. Thank you for watching.